close. They can get the mic out.
From the sauce.
Second, potato balls consommé soup. Grated potatoes were mixed with flour, made into balls, and served in a consommé soup, with carrots and an asparagus tip added. Third, potato salad. The salad allows the tasters to enjoy the crispy texture of the potatoes. Celery leaves accentuate this refreshing salad. Curry loaded with vegetables on top of rice. The use of fresh cream gives a gentle touch to the sauce. Fifth, stewed beef and potatoes, his mother's recipe and what everyone's been looking forward to. Simple yet refined, with a touch of sesame oil added to this everyday dish in Japan. Last, a unique dessert. He uses a fried potato skin in place of a wafer for the vanilla ice cream with maple syrup and cinnamon.
Are you dying? Are you breathing? You have to play that for him tomorrow.
It's making a clicking noise from listen. Hear that?
Pretty close. Still recording.
Harvest.org/CSA and find one near you. Buy fresh and buy local for a healthier you.
He is a master driver. His job is to measure what computers cannot. How moves he
I think we have enough.
emotionally.